Hey guys, what's up? It's College Kids Cards here with our first ever box break. We have just one box of 2019 certified. This is my first box of 2019. I picked it because so far this is the best product that has came out in my opinion. It just has the coolest cards and the boxes just seem to have the best hits out of them. So for everyone watching, whether you bought into the box or not, hope you guys enjoy, and I hope we pull some big stuff. We get 2 autographs and 2 memorabilia cards per box on average. Hopefully we get that. And we have 5 cards per pack. 10 packs per box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some seem thicker than others. We'll try to save the thick ones, but you never know. There are no other ones in there, as you guys can see. So, good luck to all the teams in the break. I myself have the Redskins in here, so I'm hoping to pull something big, but I also want to pull something big for somebody else, because it wouldn't be just fair if I got the only big hit out of here. So that one looks thick. That one looks thick. I don't know if there's spacers in this product or fillers in this product or not. I haven't really watched any unboxings yet, so I wanted to be surprised for myself. So let's get started. Pack number 1. 4 hits in 10 packs. This is not working out well. Come on now. Alright, so start off the bat, we got a Cam Newton, Joe Flacco, Cooper Kupp, an orange Ben Benogu at a 199. That is for the Colts. Ben Benogu, and record breakers Randy Moss. That will go to the Patriots. Nice, nice, nice. 1 pack down. These are not opening very easily here. Ooh, got a Patty Mahomes in this one. David Johnson, Antonio Brown, Kenyon Drake, Immortals, Johnny Unitas, another Colts, out of 399. And then a Patrick Mahomes seal of approval, not numbered, but still a nice card. So back-to-back Colts numbered cards. No hits yet. Oh my gosh. I have not ripped a box in a while, so maybe it's just me. We have a kid reporter in the back. Tariq Cohen, James Conner, Calvin Ridley, Chris Godwin out of 199, and Diamonds Travis Kelce, back-to-back Chiefs. Stephon Diggs, Leonard Fournette, Josh Rosen, and the Dolphins. Ja'Kai Polite out of 299. That is a Jets rookie. Ooh, and a Raise the Banner Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys. That's a pretty cool one. Super Bowl world champions. That's a nice card. I like these cards. They're shiny. They got some cool inserts in them. Not super low numbered stuff, mostly the 299 and 199, but I think the RPAs are just super cool. Derek Carr, Sean McCoy. Oh, and we have an auto in here. Mitch Trubisky, I think. Mac Wilson. It is our auto out of the Browns. 46 of 50, Mac Wilson. That does not look like his autograph. That does not look like an M or a W anywhere on there. Mac Wilson. I'll have to look up some more autographs of him. I don't know. That's our first hit of the day for the Browns. The Browns got a autograph and then a record breakers Saquon Barkley, most catches by a rookie running back. Not numbered. So there we go. We are halfway through. We got one hit. Browns rookie Mac Wilson out of 50. Ben Roethlisberger, Julio Jones, Derrick Henry. Ooh, seal of approval. Baker Mayfield, 4 of 10. That is a pretty card for the Browns. Man, that's probably a better hit than the Brown we just got. Dang, I'm putting that on there. And then a Diamonds Jalen Ramsey. That is a nice Baker. Not a rookie, but still 4 of 10. Baker Mayfield. The Browns are getting lucky in this box. See if we can pull something else. Ooh, I think I see a Brady in here. Alshon Jeffrey, Baker, base. Dalvin Cook. Another Rosen. This one's numbered out of 450. Kind of an odd numbering there. And then a gold team Tom Brady. That is sweet. It's not numbered. Kind of got beat up on the bottom there. It's not numbered, but it is a cool card. The Patriots have been getting pretty lucky this box as well. Say the Patriots and then the Browns. So here we go. 3 thick packs. All these are going to be hits, hopefully. We still have 2 patches and an RPA, or at least an auto, left. So they should all be hits. I need the scissors again. Hopefully we can open the auto last, but it's all good no matter what. Devontae Parker, Anthony Miller, Juju Smith, and an Alvin Kamara. Boom. Superb. Alvin Kamara, big patch out of 299. All black. Nice patch there. These things are kind of white around the edges. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. That's just how it comes out. At a $2.99 Alvin Kamara patch. And then another Raise the Banner of Lawrence Taylor. LT Super Bowl champions. I like those cards. Those are pretty sweet. If we pulled skins, one of them. Alright, 2 more. I don't know. Something tells me it's this one, but we'll just go with it. 2 more packs. 2 more hits. What are we hoping for? What are we hoping for? I'm hoping for a Haskins, but I'd be cool with anything. Amari Cooper, Adam Thielen, Jalen Ramsey, New Generation, Drew Lock. Oh, it's the patch. We saved the RPA for last. New Generation, Drew Lock, not numbered, the base patch card, but the Broncos got a hit there. I hope he does good. I like him. Didn't do super hot in the first preseason game, but most people don't. And then here's a Joe Namath Raise the Banner. Super Bowl number 3. Nice card there. Last pack. Should be an auto. Should be an RPA. Who's it going to be? Oh, man. Corey Davis, Todd Gurley, Nick Chubb. Yes, Terry McLaurin. Oh, baby. Oh, man. Terry McLaurin. Triple colored. Ooh, out of $4.99. I almost bought one of these too. And I was like, no, I already have an auto of his. Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. This one is staying with me. I got a Redskins hit. That's pretty sweet. I just went to the Redskins training camp and he was looking good. So I'm liking his future with the team. And then another gold team. Let's see if we can pick this up. Gold team, Charles Woodson. That would be a Raiders. For the Raiders. So that is it for this box. Let's go over the quote-unquote hits. We'll start with the first one, a Mack Wilson auto for the Browns at a 50. And I'm going to count this as a little extra hit here. A Baker purple out of 10. Those are both Browns hits. Then we hit the superb veteran patch, Alvin Kamara out of $2.99 for the Saints. Then our rookie patch, new generation Drew Lock, not numbered. And then our RPA, Terry McLaurin, triple patch out of $4.99. So that's it for this one, guys. I'm going to be doing more breaks of more boxes. A lot more stuff is coming out in the future. So hopefully it'll be more than one box, 2 or 3 box breaks. So check out my Instagram, CollegeKidsCards, and thanks for joining in.